Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and truly welcome back. And I'm really sorry for not uploading any video for the past 3 weeks. So there was some problem, some health related problem with my mom. She had to undergo surgery. So yeah, I wasn't able to shoot or do anything if that matters. Hopefully she will recover soon and I'll get back to my normal routine very soon. So expect nice videos from me, and I'm not going to make any promises now because sometimes you don't have your life in your control. So not making any promises here, but I will try to provide you with more useful and entertaining videos. So yeah, now done with that. Now let's move on to the challenge. So I guess I'm the first one to do this makeup challenge, and I'm going to use this mini packet of Cadbury gems, and I will use only the colors that are inside this packet to do my makeup. Of course only eye makeup and lip makeup because I don't want a rainbowish base. So Nikki Tutorial started a challenge called Google Makeup Tutorial, and I really loved that one, but I wanted to do a little different kind of challenge, so I came up with this challenge and hopefully I will get nice colors. I have nothing on my mind right now, so I have to decide the makeup on the spot, so it's going to be really interesting. And by the way, I'm obsessed with Cadbury gems, and let me know in the comment section below if you are also obsessed with Cadbury gems. So let's go. Let's just hope I get good colors. I can see sky blue, orange, pink, and then again a reddish pink. So I'm going to do my eye makeup first. This is a reddish pink kind of a gem. So I guess this is the shade similar to this gem, and the palette that I'm using is Morphe 35U palette. It's a very colorful palette. Orange. I guess this is the shade similar to this shade. Blue. This shade. I guess this shade is very similar. So yeah, let's start with the eye makeup. So I'm going to apply this NYX eyeshadow base first. So I'm going to take this matte baby pink shade onto a brush, remove the excess product. So now I'm going to use the same brush and pick this color. Alright, now I'm going to apply this on just a little below my crease area, starting from the outer corner because I want that part to be the darkest. Wait, was I supposed to do this? No. I was supposed to put this shade into the center. Okay, let me just remove it. So, alright, so now I'm going to use this orange shade. I completely messed up there. And remove the excess product. And I'm going to apply it just below my crease and start blending it. Applying whatever is left towards my inner corner, and then blending it nicely with the pink shade. I'm really sorry I'm not able to reply to your comments as I usually do because of all these hectic schedules and life happenings in my life. So please excuse me for that. Now I am going to apply some more eye primer only onto the center part of my lid. So I'm going to use this tiny brush and take this shade onto the brush, and I'm going to apply it onto the center. I wish this comes out nice. So I'm going to remove the excess product at the back of my hand, and then I'm going to blend it nicely with the orange shade more towards the inner corner, lightly moving upwards and outwards. Now I'm going to use the same brush that I used for the orange shade and just I'm going to deepen that orange shade and blend it with the pink. Next, I'm going to use this Maybelline eye pencil and apply it on my lower waterline. Then I'm going to use a tiny brush and take this blue shade and apply it just below the gel liner that I applied. Eye makeup is not yet complete, but I'll do my base first. So I'm going to apply this primer by Smashbox. I'm also going to use it as my highlighter. Now I will set my concealer. I'll just bake it a little bit for some time. I usually don't bake, but I'm just doing it today. Next, I'm going to contour my face, and for that I'm going to use this Bahama Mama bronzer today. Applying it just below my jawline. Moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to use this MAC Mineralize Skinfinsh in the shade Lightscapade. I'm in love with this pencil. I don't know why I was not using this pencil, but it's just so perfect. Like, you cannot go wrong with this one. So I have few new favorite makeup products and I really want to talk about those products with you guys. So I will try to make a video on my favorite makeup products and I will share it with you. And my brows are a little bushy these days because I'm growing them out to reshape them, so please excuse that. On my lips, I'm going to apply this metallic liquid lipstick by WetnWild. It's in the shade Bali in Love. The shade is really pretty, but it's not sticking on my lips. I guess this will be good if you use it as a top coat. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to apply this orange icon shade by Maybelline in the range color show. So I'm going to use this shade again as a top coat because I really love this shade and hopefully this will work this time. It's a little better than before. This is the finished look. I was so nervous when I started doing this makeup challenge, but I think it's looking pretty good and I'm really happy, especially with this pop of blue and pop of pink. So let me know in the comment section below how you like this makeup look, and also let me know how you would have done this makeup look using all these 4 colors. I would love to know that. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will try to be back with another great video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.